sorry before I get to go to bed. Do you kids want to join in and play sorry? Let's play.
What are we gonna play?
Sorry!
Okay. Sorry!
We had ring pop in it. My own ring pop.
How did that get in there? What color do you want to be?
Green.
You want to be green?
Yeah, there's all different kinds of cute.
They're so pretty, right? They're like transparent.
Why is a button piece here?
I don't know.
I covered it. I covered it.
There is a puzzle piece in there. Look at that. I don't know. It's the lost missing puzzle.
That means to connect. It's connected.
It connects to something.
It connects to this green guy to make a bridge.
You're being silly now.
It connects to green guy so it can make a bridge.
Alright, that's pretty cool. What color shall I be?
Red.
Oh, so mommy's gonna be red.
Green, red.
So I'm gonna put all 3 of my pieces in the red spot. Do you want to pick first?
Sure.
Okay, so you get to pick first. Oh, 11. Okay, move 11 spaces. Go ahead, let's see you move 11 spaces.
11 forward.
11 forward.
Gotta go here. I mean 11.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mommy got 12.
I can't reach over there. You gotta move my character.
I can move them for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
How do we go
10,
over
11,
here? That means. Get this one.
oh, 12.
And I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I think you missed a couple.
No.
You don't think so?
No.
Okay. Then
It's not there. I need to do stuff.
then it's Mommy's turn.
Yeah. The 1.
Mommy got a 4, and I have to move backwards.
Yeah. That means you get to come after me.
Oh, I gotta move backwards. I go 1, 2, 3, 4.
I always keep getting forward. 3.
3. Okay. So go ahead, move 3. Where's your guy? He's right here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
He's stuck to your finger.
You're right here.
Actually, he's right with me. We're in the same space. We're gonna share. All right, so Mommy got a 7. 7, I get to move forward 7 or split. So I'm gonna move forward 7. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
No.
7. Nah, I'm not gonna split right now. What'd you get? Oh, you got 12.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Nobody can see that. Oh, it is a 12. Okay. Go ahead. Move 12.
1.
No, it starts here. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12.
All right, that kind of works.
Yeah.
All right, it's Mommy's turn. Mommy gets a 2. Move forward 2 and then draw again. 1, 2, and then I get to draw again. And I get a 1. So I will move 1, and we're sharing a spot again. Hi, Gabrielle.
5.
Oh, you got a 5. All right, move 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice, good job.
Right over here. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, I think you should be back 1 space. Yeah, there we go. That's good. All right, a 7. Mommy got a 7, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And then we'll get you. 8.
8. Go 8.
Oh, you're the right guy. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, 8. That doesn't mean anything because you're not yellow.
Yeah, because I don't get to go here.
No, you don't get to go home. That's not your home. You're green. You got the green home.
I won't catch up home. I won't go here and here and here.
Mommy got an 8. So I get to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You got 4.
You got a 4. 4 is move backwards. But guess what you can do?
I don't want to do it.
You can move this guy backwards over here. And he could go into his home.
This guy.
Yeah, he goes to me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, just 4.
Oh, that goes mine just.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
You get to go backwards. You get to move your other man backwards. Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, they're together. Uh-oh, I think Gabriel's gonna win.
Yeah, because there's only 2 together.
Exactly, they're on their way to
Home.
home. Mommy got a 10, so I get to move 10, and I'm red, right? So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm in the corner. Okay, it's your turn.
10.
10. Okay,
I
go.
get to go to you.
You gotta move this guy 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job.
I love Gaby. I can't believe I'm winning. I have 2 guys at home. I think I got this game in the bag. I can't believe I'm winning. I can't believe I'm winning. Shooter!
Mommy gets a 1. So, oh my goodness, I only get to move forward 1. But guess what? I got a slide. Whoosh. Nice.
Nice, Mom. I got a 10.
All right, so go 10.
Oh, that means I get to go home.
So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
oh, you got 1 home. That's awesome.
That means I get all my
Not yet.
my
Not.
2 homes.
Hey, Mommy says not yet.
That means I get my 2 homes. That means I'm going to win.
You think so?
Yeah.
You know you're not going to beat Mommy.
Yes, I am.
All right, Mommy still has 2 in start.
So I have to get this 4.
All right, so it's Mommy's turn.
This is the 4.
So that's a 4. Mommy got a 3, so I go
You have
3.
to get it, okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You have to get it 2 times.
I need to get the 4 in order to win. All right, so it's your turn.
I want to pick 2.
2, so you go 2. 1, 2. Good job.
My other one's still in here.
Yeah, you got a good setup there, boy. It's Mommy's turn. Mommy gets a 3. Are you doing the victory dance early?
Yes.
So Mommy went 3. Okay, so it's your turn.
I'm pick 2.
So I go 2.
That means I get 1 home.
1.
Yay.
Then you get 1 more spot. You get one more turn. 2. Good job. All right, you got 1 home.
Yeah, that means I need 3 home. Right?
Right. 5. Mommy got 5.
Oh.
So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, it is so funny. I got 1 in the base.
There you go.
I got 1 in the base.
1. Okay, 1 step closer.
I have 1 in the base.
Oh, and Mama
I
got
have 1 almost in the base.
So I'm gonna pull 1 out. All right. Okay, go ahead.
You can pull 1 out.
Yeah,
I have to get these 2.
Mhm.
1, 2.
All right. Go ahead.
1, 2. Wait, 1, 2.
Good job. That was right.
I go here and home. Yee! Oh.
Mommy got a 7. I'm gonna go 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I almost got one. Oh, go ahead, your turn. You don't want that one? No, you're gonna pick it.
No, I hate that one.
Oh, 8. Okay, go ahead. Go eat.
1,
Okay.
2, 3.
Victory! You got victory! You can't believe you